Today I'm going to show you how to remove the rear tail lights on a 2006 Dodge Caravan to replace the brake bulb in this case. Hey, I'm Robert and I'm going to show you how to remove the rear tail light on a 2006 Dodge Caravan. Over here, you'll see there's two little clips here. You take a pair of pliers and you want to pull these out. If you don't do this, you'll end up breaking these clips and ruining your tail light assembly. And then here is where the bulb assembly off. There will be two clips on here. You want to push them in, and you pull the bulb right out. All you gotta do is just pop the bulb out, and then put the replacement right in there. Yeah, so the bulbs, it will even show you on the back here, it will say the 3057, so it will show you what type of bulbs you need for the top and bottom, and they are both 3057 bulbs. Okay, now the bulb that you will need for the rear of the 2006 Dodge Caravan is a 3057. It will fit for the brake lights, and also it will work as the backup light. So there's two spots that you can put bulbs here, and these will fit in either one of those. It will actually separate itself. Makes it a lot easier to put in. Once you separate it like this, the clip part will go in like that, and then you put the other part in. If you try to put it in all one assembly, it gets hard to put in because that circular part pushes the clip out, and it's hard to get it to stick back in there. That's how it goes. Pretty simple job. Any questions, just write it on the bottom at the comments. And that's how you change the bulbs on the rear of a 2006 Dodge Caravan. Thank you very much for watching the video.